Hi, I'm Hasan Mohameth, and welcome to the episode 3. Today we're diving into the one of the coolest moments in coding. That's building your very first HTML page, kicking things off from the beginning, building from nothing. Imagine, and you have a blank page in front of you. First, we should make a folder for example HTML, and CSS, and we open it from VS Code. Open folder and choose my folder, and for this episode make a folder episode 3. Starting from zero, what's the first step? Create a new file and name it something like index.html, or let's make that index or fun.html, or 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 every name.html. So we make that. The HTML extension is super important. I show you what extension HTML. You know that. Every name dot HTML, and it's a extension or format files HTMLs. We need the HTMLs now. So when you add the extension, the system knows it's a web page and the browser's icon will show up on the file. You can see that it's the icon of Firefox. It's my default browser. You can see that. I remove HTML and you can see that I can change it, and I make a HTML file. So for next step, basic HTML structure. Now we're going to write the basic skeleton of the web. I told you last episode. Type HTML and open HTML and close HTML. And next add. Close add, and next title. Open title and close title. Oh, close title. Oh, that's close title. Yes. And the next, it's body. Open body and close body. It's cool. So it's the HTML, basic HTML structure, and I'll show you in the code. Yes, HTML and head, title, and body. Oh, with two way to write code. It's basic. It's HTML, open HTML. Oh, it's automatic. HTML, HTML, and close HTML. But we have another way, and it's fast. And secret is tab click. For example, I wanna write open HTML and close HTML. I should type every click, every letter HTML, but I can't press H and press tab click. It's under escape click in your keyboard and up the caps lock. So I'm gonna try H T. We see that HT and press tab. It's cool. Or body, B O. We can see body and press tab. Body. Or title. Cool. So we choose title and press tab. So cool, hmm? So I'll show you later. We have a basic structure HTML. What does all this mean? Doc type. We have a doc type here. It's a tells our users it's an HTML file, and it's a HTML 5 version. That means we use the HTML5 version, and next HTML tags the main container of the page. You can see that it's have every in the web. And head. Oh, you can see different. Head contains information user don't see directly, like the browser tabs title. And body, the visible content of the web page. For example, p tag. P contain to the body. I'll show you later. So next step, write simple text with P. Let's add some text to the web page or page. For example, say hi. tag type HTML head title and body. Body. So we wanna make a tag P. We press P and press tab, and we have a tag P. And I use the live server. You can right click and choose open with live server, and page open in my default browser. You can see that. So we're gonna change title. For example, episode 3. You can see that it's changed, or my first web page. So we add a p tag in the body. So I type in the body hello web world. You can see that here. That's cool. That's very cool. Or some things, or everything. It's work on your body, and we can use it above the head or anywhere except inside the body. It's a show, but it's wrong, because we can't change that or style that. You will earn the later and next episodes. So we have a tag P. Let's add another on. For example, hello report. It's my web page. Entering the word of the attribute. Now a question. How we add properties or features to tags, like changing the background color or setting the language of the page. Where is here? Attributes. It's very important and coolest. So attributes. So example, HTML and close HTML. It's better be red. So I wanna add the attribute for my tag HTML. It's the first attribute I will learn to. It's the lang, and let's have in or far or Arabic or Spanish or Italy or every language. Lang, that's mean language. And that's mean it's a when we write lang in, and it's no G, it's just in for English. And when we write lang and in English language, we're telling the browser's search engines and screen readers the main language of this page in English. Why is that useful? For so Google understands what language the content is in and can show better results. I show you in the VS Code, and I choose language for my web page. Lang and press tab. So we can choose every language for English or Farsi or Italy, everything, and I choose English. So next attribute I wanna learn to you, it's a background color. The code is exactly the same. Background color, it's a two step. Background and color. I'll show you in the coding. How can I give this feature to my web background? So I add background to body. So I type background color, you can see that, and press tab, and I choose a color, for example black. Or blue or green or red. It's a cool. So I have a question for you. It's so simple, and I sure you know that. That's yellow, and that's. What does this mean? This say background color, it's yellow, and means the background color will be yellow. So, and that's for today. You've just created your first HTML file, learned the basic structure, wrote your first paragraph, and even added some cool attributes. In the next episode, we'll build on this foundation and turn it into something even more fun and attractive. If this episode helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how your first web page turned out. And as always, keep it real.